So today we'll be making a cranberry margarita. Also with this lime, I'm going to cut a few slivers and we're going to use that for garnish. The remaining lime, we're going to squeeze that. We'll do 3/4 of an ounce. Alright, we're going to add our main ingredient for the margarita, tequila. 1.5 ounces of tequila. Then we're going to add in 1.5 ounces of triple sec. Then we're going to add in 4.5 ounces of cranberry juice. I have fresh cranberries, so I blended them up with some water and sugar and made my own juice. Alright, we're going to shake that with some ice. We're going to give that a strain. Sugared some cranberries, so I'm gonna do cranberry, and then I'm gonna do the top of the lime, another cranberry, and we're gonna do the rest of that